How's it, everyone? Welcome back. We're here in Ravensklip Boksburg, and it's actually sad to see it, but we have an installer that took a 4-year-old gate motor and then he went and he fitted green electrical motor to it. This was 2 weeks back. See if we can just turn it so like the sun is on the right places. So he removed the gate motor from site, took it in for the repairs, and yeah, 2 weeks later we're on site. You can see that DOS disc is completely filled with oil. Even on the front, so yeah, it's just sad. Come now, doggies. These owners' dogs are just crazy. Alright, but in any case, so we have a base, we're giving it to the client, 2016 model. So we're just going to redo the installation. So we didn't clean the motor as such. I wanted the client to see it for himself, that there's no oil leaks and stuff on this gate motor. Again, look here. That's our origin marker magnet is situated or secured onto a gate. What a pity. But in any case, let's quickly do it for the client. Yeah, it's sometimes laughable. Let's quickly have a look. So we've got 10 brackets. There's my finger. Look at the size of these things. 10 brackets. That's your clamping force on it. So we've got 10 brackets. It's double the amount of clamping force. And then obviously we are going to support the startup sections, but this is a 5-meter gate, so that's the amount of brackets that we're going to use. Nah? Now you guys know why we do it, what we do it, for the love of the game. Come, doggy, show the clients what we do. Cool. Right, we're done welding the steel gate rail onto the steel sliding gate. Startup areas been reinforced. In total we've used 14 brackets on the steel sliding gate, all 500mm spaced apart. All of it's painted. So there's your starter bracket, the center one. So what we've done is we've left the gate rail a little bit longer, so if the client does want to ultimately change his gate, that it opens a little bit more, that functionality is still there. What we've also done is we've moved the origin marker. Normally it says 500mm away from the gate motor. You could actually put it anywhere you wish. The reason why we placed it on the front of the gate motor is, if you look in the side here, we've got a retaining wall which is a little bit skew, and the old magnet did rub on it. So what we did is we excluded that risk completely. Just let it close, quickly run. Gonna wait for the origin marker to come by. You can see that the distance is correct there. Activates it, and then if we look here, quite far away from the retaining wall, so it's not going to be a risk at all. So we're just going to fit the anti-theft bracket, the cover, and then we'll do a test video. All done. Guys, if you want your gate motor repaired like this, you know what to do. Give Pottie a call, 083 778 2288. Check out smartgates.co.za. Check out Exquisite Security. Let's quickly test run it. Can I have a look? Dogs are obviously happy, thinking owner is returning. There you can see one can still extend the steel sliding gate opening further, but the retaining wall would need to be adjusted at the back. Quickly stand, give you a closer view. You'll see this gate motor doesn't vibrate at all. We've just adjusted the scroll distance a bit because the gate guide brackets are quite small. So it's sad, again coming back, that a gate motor that needs to last you anything from 15 years to 20 years looks like this after 4 years. And then but in any case, here you can see the magnet used to scrape on the retaining wall. So there's always a risk that it would break off, but not currently. Right, thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned, more videos to follow. Please like and subscribe. Great stuff.